Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be making rice, porridge rice, tea, sweet rice, whatever you call it in your neck of the woods. We're gonna be making that. I'm gonna set some water to boil on medium heat. I'm gonna go in with some hard spice. Let that boil till you see the water turn brown. That's when you know it release the flavor. You can use bay leaf also. I didn't have any, but the rice porridge have to make today. Make sure you wash your rice properly, guys. Pick out whatever you need to pick out of it. I'm using white rice, and that's medium green rice, and that cooks fairly easily. I'm gonna go in with some salt to taste. I'm gonna let that cook until it's like 3/4 ways done. You want that to absorb the water, then it's gonna rupture and it's gonna be nice and tender. Then I'm gonna add the coconut milk. So here it is, almost cooked. I'm gonna go in with some coconut milk. Now, if you're not a fan of coconut milk, you can leave that out. But I'm not going to be making my rice porridge without coconut milk, honey. I need extra flavor. I'm going in with my spices. I have some nutmeg, some ground clove, cinnamon powder. I forgot my cardamom, honey, but that's okay. That's okay. Make sure you get rid of whatever lumps that form from all the powdered spices. You don't want to be eating your porridge and tasting anything bitter. Get rid of those. And you can't forget your essence. I'm using vanilla essence and almond essence. Give that a mix. Continue to cook on low heat until the rice grains are nice and mushy. At this point, I'm going to go in with some evaporated milk. You can use whatever milk you want to. Then I'm going to go in with some condensed milk. Extra creaminess and also to add a little sweetness. Then I'm going to give this a mix, and that's it. You're going to do a taste test right here, and then you're going to adjust to your liking, and your rice porridge is ready. Nice and milky with that coconut flavor and all the spices and essences. This is delicious, guys. Trust me when I say that. Now it is time to serve this up and enjoy while it's nice and hot. Now, if you don't like it this thick, you can add more milk or a little more water, whatever. Hard spice in there to make it look nice and pretty. Little powdered spice in there to make it look presentable. I forgot to put my cardamom in there, but I did sprinkle some on there, so I did get the taste of my cardamom. Yes, I did. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you give this a try.